In this video, we will be seeing what is variable in C language. So variable in C language is nothing but name given to memory where we store the data value which we use in our program. And we can also call variables as containers for storing the data values. And we can also in simple call it as data identifiers. And the syntax for creating variable is the data type, variable name, equal to symbol, our assignment operator, followed by the value which we want to assign to the variable. So type variable name equal to value and end the statement with semicolon. And example for this syntax is int, which is a data type for whole numbers or integers, followed by mynum, which is a variable name which we have given, equal to 15. So 15 here is the data value. So type variable name equal to value. Type here is the data type, variable name is the user defined variable name, and equal to is the assignment operator that assigns the RHS to LHS, and value here means the data value which we want to store in this variable, and end the statement with semicolon. Now on the screen you can see Dev C++ IDE where I have already opened a file which is a C program file. So you can see the file name I have given as P and the extension is .c because it is a C source file. So now I'm going to declare a variable in C program and print it. So for that, first let's write the C program. So for writing the C program or starting with the C program, I'm starting by including the standard input output header file to our program. And then I'm starting with the main function, that is void main. Now within main, I'm going to declare a variable int a equal to 90. So here int is the data type which can store whole numbers or integers. A is the variable, and for this a variable we have assigned value as 90. Now to print it, we are using here printf, and because it is integer we need to use format specifier. So format specifier we are going to use here %d, which is for integers. And to substitute in place of this format specifier, we are going to mention the variable name after the comma, which I'm going to give as a, because our variable name is a. So this is going to print the a value on output screen. So first go to execute option and compile to check if there are any errors or mistakes in your program. So there are no errors or no warnings. So we got 0 errors, 0 warnings. Now again go to execute and then run the program. So when I now run the program, I will get on the output screen the value as 90, so which we have given for a. Now if I change the value, like if I give 200, and again if I compile and run, so you can see we got on the output screen 200 as the output. So this is how we can declare the variable, assign value to it, and then print the same on output screen. Now suppose you want to just declare the variable and later assign value, then you can do so by writing or using the type or data type followed by the variable name and semicolon, end it with semicolon, and later in program you can assign value wherever you want. So later in program a equal to 90 I'm going to assign, and then print it, and again I can modify it like a equal to, here I'm giving 100, and then again you can print it. So variable, we can modify the variable's value. Its value can vary throughout the program. Variable value can vary throughout the program. So again compile it, then run it. So when I now run it, I will be getting the output as 90 and 100, because we did not give any spaces or new line. We got 90, and then soon after 90 we got 100 printed. And here if I give /n, the cursor will move to new line after printing the value. So compile and run again, and now if you see, the value is printed in the next line, 100 is printed in the next line. So this is how we can use variable in a C program.